at Buttonwillow with SoCal Drivers Club. Big thanks to Charles for letting me come in here today. As you guys can see, the weather, fantastic. Cloudy, but not rainy, all right? It's about 50, 60 degrees all day, so we're getting such good track time. It's not getting too hot at all. Plenty of grip. I'd call today a success. We got a 59.9, so this is the fastest 59, the fastest sub 2 I've ever done. I've done like 59.994, 59.964, so a 9.0 PV there, we take that. Is exactly the same, still stock power, stock suspension, brand new AO52s, right? Brand new pads, Club Racer pads. I'm not trying to gas out through all the parts because this is a brand new set of AO52s, just a little bit of driving today, get a PB. I do want it to last me a little bit more through the season because I just burned through a whole set for the other 2.5 days that I drove, right? So we take this, guys. There was a point where I went through bus stop as fast as I ever have, and my exit was like 88, and my rear tire, or whatever side, passenger tires right here, touched the dirt. And it's kind of muddy here, as you can tell. There's no sunlight, right? So the dirt was a little muddy. Felt super sketch, nice and toasty in the car. Got AC still, stock interior. That's all I want to do in this car. Obviously, I could have found more power, right? I could have tuned it or whatever. I could have dropped weight. I could have done suspension, but I really want to just, I love the car as it is, and I know it's capable as is. So sub 2 in this stock form, couldn't be happier. That's exactly what I wanted when I bought this car, and we're just getting it more consistently now.
First GT4 driving experience. Thank you, Ed.
Yeah, no worries.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah. I feel it, bro. Around the block. Look at this, dude. Driving a yellow GT4, bro. This is the future.
Bro.
I feel it manifesting, bro.
It's happening, man.
It feels like home.
It's yellow.
Mm-hmm. And we have our lovely Type R. Look at this thing. Look at this cutie. Beautiful. First time driving a GT4 ever, so obviously just in the track parking lot, but it still it just feels like home, man. Oh my god. I'm so grateful.
Dude, that guy was so nice.
Yeah, shout out to Ed. Thank you for offering. 981 GT4 here. This is the dream car. Ed let me take it around the lot earlier, so big shout out to Ed. Absolutely beautiful. gonna close it out there, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you want to follow along with the Type R and whatever else we do on this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And this is why I keep the car in the stock form, man. Drive the car to the track, have a good time, go fast, come home reliably.